What's up, Nova Nation? This is your girl Vana SUPERNOVA. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a self-care routine. I'm just getting myself together. I just really want to reset my day. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. We haven't gone to church yet, and before we do, I really just want to touch up on everything. So I have my facial machine out, I have my pedicure items out, and I'm just gonna make myself all prettified. Okay, so I have cleansed my face, brushed my teeth. This is my steamer. It's recommended to only use for a maximum of 10 minutes and only to do it 2 to 3 times a week, not every single day. I would only do this maybe once a week if you've already found a sweet spot in your regimen and you're really not needing once a week, once every other week, whatever, or just whenever you want to feel like that spa type day, you can do that. And then over here, this is my foot spa, which I've shown before. I'm about to turn it on. It has temperature control, 3 massage modes, a timer, red light therapy. Love it all. And this comes off. So I'm about to turn it on and bubbles are going, red light. Let's see. Right now it's on 107 degrees set. So right now it's on 101. Once it gets to 107 or 105-ish, I'm going to go ahead and dip my feet in there. But the temperature it's at right now is pretty good. I put hot water in there. You don't have to, but just to kind of speed things up. And so I'm going to be giving myself a gel pedicure. And so I got my UV right here. And I'm about to get pick up my nail polish color, which I need to buy some new nail polish. So that's something I have been slacking on. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get it all together, honey. And for right now, I'm just going to read. I have my iPad next to me. I have my water next to me. I'm just going to hydrate, read, let the steam come down my face, just, you know, relax all the way.
I'm not in the way, right?
Film, bro. I ain't trying to be like shit. What's his name?
Who?
Shannon.
Ah, you're so stupid. I think we would have to be doing something else in order for you to be Shannon, babe. I'm gonna steam my face while I'm doing my pedicure. And right now I'm using a pumice stone. guys, so I finished my nails and now I'm gonna head on into the shower. Meg and I got a plethora of things to do today. We're gonna head out, go to church, run some errands, and then I'm gonna go home and chill, honey. It's Sunday. I really want the vibe to be just cool, calm, collective, relaxing. I'm gonna do some editing today. I'm gonna make sure I'm posting throughout the week. Just really giving myself a lot of grace, mercy, time to really spend with my husband and prepare myself for the week to come. After giving myself a full spa treatment, I put on this two-piece suit. I purchased this from Shein. It's a 2X in size. Although I have been losing weight, I still keep my 2X clothing because I find that now I'm a true 2X and everything fits perfectly. We then head over to the church and we did the evening service. The church has been really packed lately, and whenever it's the holiday season, they ask us to come in the evening to make room for people who prefer to come in the morning to visit the church and possibly join the church. And they're playing one of my favorite songs, so you already know it's lit. Alright, today we have the Barbie Stanley Cup, and I got 2 more coming in today. But people are saying some of theirs are coming out dented, and I don't play that kind of mess. So this is the box before I even open her. Comes with a card with stickers in there. I'm really just trying to make sure this is, she's straight. So in the boot area, she's scratched up. What in the world? Maybe it'll buff off. They crimped this thing out like nobody business. And I think it's straight. It's not straight, it's not coming off. Yeah, my boot area is scratched up from the packaging. She's beautiful though. I just wish she wasn't scratched. But let me look for dents. No dents, but there are scratches. If I could show you the scratches. You see that scratch right there? It's like in the center. It's where the boot would go. And the scratch, well, it's hard to focus. The scratch wraps all the way around the cup. But other than that, she is cute. She's real cute. And she has an iridescence about her too, but you can only see it like in the sun and stuff like that. So I'm gonna send an email out to them and let them know. But other than that, she's cute. And she has a little Barbie icon right here. I think all the Barbie cups do. Super cute. What's up, y'all? So I am going to the gym. And I know y'all tired of these hot mess buns, but when gym life is literally your life is what we get. And then today I'm just so tired. I've been so fatigued lately and I don't feel like going to the gym. I'm not even gonna cap. I don't feel like going. I don't want to go, but that's how I've always been feeling, like I don't want to go. And then once I get there, it's like kind of happy I made it, and then once I'm done, I'm happy I did it. But it's like the before part is so hard to like keep up with the schedule. I go to Pilates 3 days a week and then go to the gym 3 days a week, and I alternate. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday I'm at the gym. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday I'm at Pilates, and I've been doing it for weeks now consistently, and I'm just so tired. I'm so tired. I can't wait to be on the other side of this. And I guess this is just me being vulnerable and showing the other side of, you know, the weight loss, where it's just like it's not easy. But even on days like this, even though it's raining outside, there's like thunder, lightning, it's crazy outside, I'm still gonna drive my tail to the gym and get it done because I deserve to be the best version of myself. And part of that journey, because my weight loss is not my full journey, it's just a portion, it's a piece of what makes me me. So part of that journey is caring for my body. If I don't care for my body, I may not have the opportunity to do so in the future. I mean, we're not promised tomorrow. So any day I get a chance to become a better version of myself, I'm gonna always choose to do so. Today is leg day, so that's a whole nother layer of I'm not ready, but I'm gonna take a pre-workout, drink a pre-workout before I go, just to give me some energy. Like, you know, it's the caffeine in it. It doesn't even have to be like a pre-workout. An energy drink would do the same for me. I don't feel like the pre-workout I have gives me like superpowers or anything. I only take like half a scoop. It says to take a whole scoop. I just take half a scoop because I just care about the caffeine component. So I just slapped on anything. My socks don't really match my outfit, but I mean, am I going or not? Like, you know? So I'm gonna head on out before I change my mind. And you know the crazy part though, before I do go, the crazy part in all this is that I closed all my workout rings for today. My activities closed, my standing goals closed, and I already used my walking pad today. So technically, you know, if the rings are closed, but now I'm still gonna go because I deserve it. 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 Okay, bye. I deserve it. I deserve it. I deserve it. Today, I am diving into Jonah chapter 1, and this story speaks so powerfully about those moments when we feel called to be something bigger, but we resist or hesitate. Jonah ran in the opposite direction, and I think we've all had those times where we try to go our own way instead of trusting what's in front of us. Reflecting on this reminds me how trusting God's plan, even when it's uncomfortable, is such a key part of growth. For me, Bible journaling isn't just about study. It's about setting my spirit's compass. Writing out thoughts, adding color, or even noting verses helps me dig deeper and stay centered. If you're curious, I actually have a detailed Bible journaling video on my channel that goes into my full routine and deeper into Jonah chapter 1. It's linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed today's cozy time together and enjoy self-care videos just like this one, I'd love for you to join me on this journey by subscribing. And please give this video a huge thumbs up if it resonated with you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.